Hello there, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you one of the clay figurines that I've made. The theme of this piece is creating a tropical beach scene with some characters from Sanrio. So first of all, for background, I have sand and water. For the sand part, I've used tan colored clay which I textured with the tin foil to give it a sandy look. Then for the water, I've used cardstock painted blue and then added resin on top to represent the water. You can also see that there's little bubbles on their surface. All of the other parts of this figurine I've made from scratch with polymer clay. Here's a clip of me making the little features of our Kawaii, which is a yellow bird. So the first character is Rilakkuma, which is this little brown bear. He's standing on a serving board and I gave him little sunglasses shaped like hearts and also a chain of flowers. Next we have Rilakkuma and she's sitting on the sand. I gave her a little pink dress and a purple hat with a black bow on top. On the side, we have this bear-shaped sand castle topped with a flag. I've also included an orange starfish and a pink seashell. On Rilakuma's side, there's also a pink shovel. Of course, how can we forget our little Kawaii? He's sitting on the side and playing with the bear sandcastle. On the back, I've included a brown guitar and a mid radio for music. Next is our big palm tree. So this is also made out of clay and I've included a wire inside to make it more stable. I'm really happy with how it turns out. I think it's really cute and it adds a little theme to our piece. Underneath our palm tree, there's two little mamagomas dancing. For one of them, I gave it a little flower on the head. For the other one, I've gave it a similar flower chain that Rilakkuma had. Last but not least, we have our little food station. So first thing, on the side here, we have two little pineapples. I'm really happy with how the details turned out. I think it's really adorable. Then here we have two watermelon slices on a plate. Oh, and also two super tiny soda bottles. Next we have a pink and white rain-shaped floater. Lastly, an icebox and a blue bottle. That is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun making this figurine. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I also have a processing video where I've shown clips of me making this figurine. So if you're interested, head on to my channel and you can watch it there. Thank you guys so much and see you next time.